John Legend appeared before a judge in Miami today, and tears were shed in the courtroom, but they were tears of joy. 1.4 million people with felony convictions are now eligible to register to vote, and today some of them went through the process to restore that right, backed up by Legend and a team of other power players in Miami-Dade.
You are eligible at this time, granting your motion.
Tears of joy for a former prisoner getting back her right to vote. And a hug from singer John Legend. He attended the hearings today to demonstrate how former prisoners who serve their time can get a court order to allow them to vote. The process was developed by the Miami-Dade State Attorney's Office, the Office of the Public Defender, and the Clerk of Courts. Rare to see the prosecutor and public defender standing together asking for the same thing.
Becoming part of the community again reduces their odds of coming back into the system.
State Attorney Catherine Fernandez-Rendell took part, she said, to show everyone how easy it can be for the majority of citizens who have served their time to register to vote. Last year, Florida voters passed Amendment 4. Until then, Florida was one of only 4 states that didn't automatically allow returning citizens to get their voting rights restored. But still, the process of implementing the law is not always simple and straightforward. Miami-Dade County is the first in the state to design and implement this type of a process.
This is a good day, not just for those of you who will be getting your right to vote restored, but it's a day that we celebrate democracy. We celebrate what it means to be an American.
Afterwards, the participants had a chance to register to vote.
Thank you. It's a proud day for myself and my father, born in Haiti, and he's 84 years old, to see me get my rights restored.
Legend has made restoring rights for formerly incarcerated Americans a priority, founding Free America, a campaign to transform America's criminal justice system. This morning, he tweeted, "I'm here on Florida Rights Restores voter registration bus today as we work to register formerly incarcerated individuals to vote. Let's make history together." It's a fight these citizens who have made mistakes and served their time are grateful for.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, Anna, to get my right back, then I could be a part of society. I might be in pain, but today's a great day for me.
It's so beautiful to see that real people who were affected by this law change, are here. They're crying. They're so happy to vote, and so many people take it for granted. This right to vote, and when you lose it, I think it makes you realize how important it is, and it makes you feel even more joy and more accomplishment from getting that right back.
The battle for the vote is still brewing. In June, the Republican-controlled legislature passed a bill that requires felons to pay off all court fees, fines, and restitution before the terms of their sentences are considered complete, meaning thousands of people were suddenly no longer eligible to vote. In October, a judge rejected that on a limited basis, but the issue is expected to go to the Florida Supreme Court.